Hello everybody, this is Watermelon Dylan and we are back with another video. Well, last week I stopped at installing the Windows 10 right here that you see. So what we can do right now is I'm in my full screen mode. So what we're gonna do now is let's install VMware Tools. Okay, so let's click on the what am I saying? Click on the VM, okay, and then let's click on install VMware Tools. Now this type of alert thing will actually pop up over here, which we need to go to this particular location in our computer. So press Windows. Okay, this will open the run dialog box, and then we need to type in the following, which is the path. Okay, this is the CD drive. Is there a way to copy this? Okay, now my d:\setup.exe. Okay, so all we need to do is to come to here, press Windows R, and type d:\setup, okay, .exe. So it's right here. Enter, and it should bring us to. It should pop up this alert screen over here. Let me just zoom out. Okay. Now VMware Tools can help you to do a lot of things. After that, you are able to copy in from things from your local physical machine to your virtual machine, and yeah, it should be able to fix the screen problem as well. Okay, click yes, and just let it do its thing. Okay, now over here, just follow the wizard. Okay, click next. Did I even click next? I'm just gonna leave it as typical. Okay, so next. You can try to explore the other ones if you wish. Hold on, let me just see what's this. Okay, now I'll just go with the typical one. It will save us a lot of time. Click next, and then finally you can just click install. I'll just zoom out. Okay, click install. Oh, it should be quite okay. Shouldn't be that slow. See, the screen starts to be fixed. So that's the sort of purpose of the VMware 2. So usually right after this, once the VMware 2 has been installed, what I would wish to do is oopsie daisy. What I wish to do is to hold on. Whoa, hold on. Let me just hold up there. They would ask you to restart your computer. Yes. So if this doesn't pop up, please do the restart yourself as well. Okay. Okay, dang it. Hold up. So let's just restart. Okay, click yes. Okay, so we can log in again. And you can see that our Windows 10 is up and running for now. Okay, so I guess we are done with this video. If you have any questions to this video, feel free to drop a comment down in the comment section. And also, if you have any videos that you want me to do, feel free to drop in a request there. If you'd like to see more videos just like this and you're new to my channel, feel free to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you'll always be notified when I upload a video. And if this video helps you, please drop a like to show me some support. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.